Is it time to buy or sell SPDR Gold Shares ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SPDR Gold Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of January, 2025, our system has ranked SPDR Gold Shares as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. During this period, the ETF has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 17.2% since we initially recommended purchasing SPDR Gold Shares 56 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.31% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the ETF's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The exchange-traded fund lies in the upper part of a narrow and strong rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $288.18 would first indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 10.5% and 15%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 28%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 15.75% to 26.43% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $333.51 and $364.30. Our latest daily update for SPDR Gold Shares includes the headline, SPDR Gold Shares ETF price up 1.44% on Monday. The SPDR Gold Shares ETF price gained 1.44% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, rising from $284.06 to $288.14. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 0.88%, with a low of $285.88 and a high of $288.39. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.12% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 4 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 14 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.93 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $288.39, while the lowest price was $206.29. Currently, the price is 0.09%, or 25 cents below the 52-week high of $288.39, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. While the lowest price was $206.29, currently the price is 0.09% or 25 cents below the 52-week high of $288 and 0.09% below the current high. While the lowest price was $206.29, currently the price is 0.09% or 25 cents below the 52-week high of $288.39, which is also the all-time high of the ETF. While the lowest price was $206.29, currently the price is 0.09% below the previous day. Although there are some people who are left-sided and indecisive, it's also a good tool to have, and also makes for interesting inputs and insights for this next update. While the lowest price of the ETF has been declining recently, it indicates that people are concerned about its future and may even get better. Gold continues to defy gravity, breaking records and closing above $3,100 per ounce as of March 31st. This remarkable parabolic rally reflects a strong shift among major financial institutions. Morgan Stanley, Citi, and Goldman Sachs have all become increasingly bullish on gold, intensifying optimism around its future. Analysts note the influence of safe haven buying amid rising uncertainties, especially with impending tariffs from the United States, which are driving investors towards non-correlated assets like gold. In the short term, the ongoing rally may be supported by central bank purchases and a dynamic shift in market sentiment. However, caution emerges as analysts suggest a potential pullback could be on the horizon. While the immediate outlook is buoyant, the volatility of market conditions means that investors should remain vigilant. Gold's price surge, projected to possibly reach $3,300 by year-end, could have lasting effects on stock performance for GLD. A sustained increase in the gold price may attract further investor interest, influencing GLD positively in both the short and long term. The interplay of global economic factors, monetary policy, and geopolitical tensions will continue to set the stage for gold as a focal asset in investment portfolios. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to the SPDR Gold Shares ETF. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have indicated a neutral rating for the ETF. The following signals have been identified for SPDR Gold Shares. The SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average in the event of downward corrections. Support is expected from the levels around $280.95 and $272.70. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, February 28, 2025, and to date, it has risen by 9.45%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. Period. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 56 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 63 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPDR Gold Shares. SPDR Gold Shares finds support from accumulated volume at $275.13, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.51, which is an increase of 0.88% between its high and low. For the last week, the ETF experienced an average daily volatility of 0.689%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A remarkably high PE ratio indicates that the exchange-traded fund could be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the exchange-traded fund could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SPDR Gold Shares encounters its first support level at $275.13. If this support level holds, it could serve as a solid entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $273.41, reflecting a decrease of 5.11%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which indicates a lower level of risk. However, the 14-day relative strength index stands at 85, significantly heightening the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 21 days ago. Is SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund a good buy? SPDR Gold Shares holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain or accumulate their positions while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we anticipate that SPDR Gold Shares will open lower by approximately 67 cents, beginning trading at $287.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.